Hi, welcome back to Judy's Lone Star Shop. I will be doing a series on tips and tricks to share with you, just things that I've learned in leather crafting that I want to pass along to you. Today is tip number 1, how to catch the refuse that your skiver creates. Instead of having scraps falling on the floor under your table, install a plastic shoebox to use as a drawer. Purchase 4 pieces of wooden molding with each measuring 14 inches by 2 1/4 inches. Use a power drill to screw 2 of the pieces together at opposite angles and offset them by 1/2 inch to form a space so that you can slide your plastic drawer. Then use 1-inch screws to attach each set of 2 to the underside of the skiver table. In the front, screw them 2 inches in front of the cutout. In the back, screw them 5 inches in back of the cutout. They should be about 6 1/2 inches of space in between them. Simply slide in your plastic drawer and catch all the refuse that falls. If you use a different size box than I did, please be sure to adjust the placement of your wooden pieces before you screw them to the table. Now, all of your scraps will be caught in the box and you just simply empty it when it's full. Keep on skiving and stay tuned to more tips and tricks.